today I will show you how to highlight best-selling products using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Sidekick, then expand it. Here we can enter and click on enter. So here we can see it will give best suggestions. So here we need apps to install and all. So we have to make it manual. Click on enter. So now it give the manual way. So now we can go follow. Click on products. Click on collections. Then add collections. Then here we can name. No. So for the description, we can ask to Sidekick. So now it will change. So here we can see. So we can ask to make it simple. So now it is perfect. So collection type to manual, add products. Here I'm adding some product. Then click on add. So that's it. See the changes. It has been changed. Now go to the online store. Then click on edit theme. Here we can select a product. So now we can go to the product information section. From here we can add blog, give a heading. So here it is texted as new arrival, so we can change it as the best seller. So we can change the heading size to make it H5. So we can make it bold, italic, etc. So now we can give a background color. Here I giving to red. So click on enter. So then we can click on save. So by setting up this, this helps customer clearly see that the product is popular. We can see the changes. This method is manual, so you need to add it for each product. Also, this is easiest methods for beginners because it doesn't need coding or app installations. So this is how we can highlight best selling products manually using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.